What is going on, guys? Today, I'm going to launch a token on different platforms, just as Pump.fun and PumpSwap directly. And what that means is Pump.fun tokens are migrates from Pump.fun to PumpSwap when they hit 85 Solonas. But I don't have 85 Solonas, and I don't know if my coin going to reach that. So I'm going to do a launch on PumpSwap directly with an SPL token. To make it possible, there's some tools I will talk about, and I'm going to launch the same token on Pump.fun with small liquidity and see the differences between launching on both platforms. So to start it, I'm going to find a coin. I just don't want to create something from my nothing, I want to just take some. For example, this is ChatGPT's obsession. Just about a tweet. Who tweeted? I don't know. I don't care. But this is a narrative, and this narrative worked well. So these guys made tons of money, I'm thinking. So I'm going to launch a token just as this one. I will take every information on salt scan of this coin, all right? This is going to be my base coin for this experiment. But don't forget, this is just an experiment. I'm trying to understand what's going on with PumpSwap and Pump.fun. So these are like usual metadata stuff of any token, but some of them leave the when eyeballs empty. So I'm going to go to metadata tab in SaltScan and going to copy that address, which starts with IQFS, and I'm going to paste it into new tab to see what it has in its metadata. All right. So I pasted it and there's no description. So just I put that minus there, and then I'm going to take the name, copy it. The ticker, Mary, and the name is like ChatGPT's obsession. For some reason, I don't know, someone probably messed with ChatGPT a lot and it becomes obsessions. I have no idea. So the X of this tweet, which is like the starting point of this coin. So they have no Telegram. And please make sure you like video and subscribe and turn notifications on. This is really important for me. If you want to support me, I will make more videos. I will make different contents about launching tokens. So this is like the regular Pump.fun, and it has the basic user interface is easy to use. So I'm using it for my experiment first, and I'm uploading the image. I'm going to show you later how to get their image. It's on metadata as well. So I'll add 0.2, and I'm a human. That's right. I'm a human. So I create the coin at 0.2, and I create it just as it is right now on the Dexscreener. All right. So let me check the coin. My position rally right there. You can see it written there. You see it right there. So it is 0.21, and I created with 0.2. I had some buys, but these buys are not that important because I just only own very small percentage of the coin, like 0.07 or something like that. I don't know. But this is really hard thing to make profit if you are creating a token on Pump.fun with small liquidity. It's not a good way. If you create it with high liquidity, no, I'm not gonna buy it. So I'm trying to create my own SPL instead of using their interface. So the Aristools, this is a website I'm using. Why I'm using this website is because it is safe. It's whitelisted by Phantom. This is very important. This time you how you save the image right away. On the IPFS link, there's another link to the token's image. So I saved the image to my computer locally. So I'm gonna add it Aristotle's. So I was saying like this tool is whitelisted by Phantom, and this is very important. Some of the tools are not whitelisted. This means they are not audited by Phantom, but this tool audited by Phantom. So this is a safe one, whitelisted one, and this is very important. If you use like red ones with red warnings, there are tons of things could happen to you. So please avoid websites with red warnings. If you find a website with whitelisted, which is whitelisted, it is there's no problem they're using it. But if you use something good, red warning, I'm telling you, man, like there will be some problems you're gonna have. So this website, this is the pop-up I'm talking about. Some of them has red warning in it. This one is whitelisted, so it doesn't have it. So after creating our SPI token, by the way, I created it with some money, but like this is right now is way cheaper. They made some discount. So this is my token address, right? So I'm copying the token address, and I'm choosing create liquidity pool, and then as a base token, I will put Mary, and I will just add like 20% of Mary. Or like, why I'm doing it is because when a launch migrated from Pump.fun to PumpSwap, it migrates with 20% of the total supply of that token. So that's why I have to add 20%. The rest of the tokens, you can use multi-senders to get rid of them, and it will cause more profits, in my opinion. And please don't forget to click on launch it on PumpSwap button, or you are going to launch it on Raydium. And I'm not sure what will happen on Raydium right now because I wasn't on Raydium for a long time. So this is like it, not my little trick. I burn like small percentage of my total liquidity, and it will trigger some snipers, some people. They look at it, they see when they see like coins that burnt, they ape it, like they likely to ape more. So, and this is the result of this launch. I made some money, like lots of money by doing small work. And these are like buys at the beginning. I got some buys, I got some sells, like some big ass sells, some big ass buys. But after a while, when you saw that burn transaction, and it must be something between these two transactions. It must be this one, probably this one. So I burnt my liquidity, like 10% of it. And what happened is, two dudes, they bought like almost 3 Solana worth of the token. They'd probably just tracking the burns at PumpSwap, so they have that kind of algorithm. So I'm making like tons of printed money, tons of money with that. This is like the trickiest part. When you burn your liquidity, like some part of it, people likely to buy it more. And also, if you use multi-sender, I didn't use on this video, but like if you use the multi-sender, I'm thinking about like you'd get like a more successful fun launch at the end of the day. So this part is like removing the liquidity. So I burnt like some small percentage, so that's what like I probably can't withdraw all liquidity, and I'm against withdrawing liquidities. I'm against rugging. I don't come on anyone throughout any coin, and this video is not a financial advice. This is how much money I would make if I removed the liquidity right now, but I'm not doing it. This is just only for educational purposes. All right, this is very important. So 1.5K by copying a token and making it look like it came from Pump.fun, it works on PumpSwap. That was all about my experiment here. So I wish you all the luck on your launches or any trades at all. If you have any questions, you can just drop a comment. Please like my video if you watch it that much, and drop and subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. So peace out.